They took a bumpy bus ride up and down a long, dusty road. Finally, they arrived at the little village. They met Jungle Jim, who was their tour guide for the day. "Okay, everybody," said Jungle Jim, "put on your sunscreen, hats, and boots. We're off to go to the jungle. We have to get to the top of the mountain before it gets dark." Jungle Jim said he led the group up a windy gravel path. "But first we must salute the sun." Started walking.